At the very outset, let me emphasize that India has never been a nation that seeks war. We have never initiated aggression against anyone. However, the present geopolitical reality is quite different. Even though we do not harbor any aggressive intent, if someone challenges us, it becomes imperative that we respond with strength. To do so, we must continuously enhance our defense preparedness. This is why training, technological advancement, and a sustained dialogue with partners are of utmost importance for us. Friends, today in the 21st century, this transformation has become more rapid. Sheer numbers of soldiers or the size of weapon stockpiles are no longer enough. Cyber warfare, artificial intelligence, unmanned aerial vehicles, and satellite-based surveillance are shaping the wars of the future. Precision-guided weapons, real-time intelligence, the data-driven information have now become the cornerstone of success in any conflict. Friends, modern battles are no longer confined to land, sea, and air. They now extend into outer space and cyberspace. Satellite systems, anti-satellite weapons, and space command centers are the new instruments of power. Therefore, what we require today is not just defensive preparedness, but also a proactive strategy. Friends, future wars will not merely be battles of weapons. They will be a combined play of technology, intelligence, economy, and diplomacy. In the times ahead, the nation that masters the triangle of technology, strategy, and adaptability will emerge as the true global power. To put it simply, this is the moment to learn from history and write a new one. That is the moment to anticipate the future and shape one. It was observed the success of Operation Sindoor is the perfect example in itself. The bravery and swiftness with which our forces carried out action against the terrorist shelter in Pakistan was something those terrorists could never have been imagined. I firmly believe that every war leaves us with some important learnings. In the course of battle, we are able to realistically assess the level of our preparedness. If we speak the Operation Sindoor, it was indeed a striking demonstration of technology-driven warfare. Friends, be it offensive or defensive techniques, operational practices, quick and efficient war logistics, the seamless integration of our forces are matters of the intelligence and the surveillance. Operation Sindoor gave us a wealth of nations. It provided us with a glimpse of the kind of the challenges and responses that could serve as a valuable guidance for any conflict in the future. You may also have observed that Operation Sindoor has emerged as a great example demonstrating the success of our indigenous platforms, equipment, and the weapon systems. Its achievements have once again underlined that in the times to come, self-reliance is an absolute necessity. We have indeed made significant progress on the path of self-reliance, but there is still a long way ahead that we must travel. All these aspects, Operation Sindoor has also taught us another crucial lesson: the importance of information and the cyber warfare in today's age. While enhancing our defense capability, it is equally vital to ensure that our information and the cyber infrastructure is made even more robust. I believe we must give this matter deep thought and careful consideration. Friends, amidst all these changes, there has always been one factor that plays a decisive role: the element of surprise.